What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's vlog. Today is a bittersweet day. As y'all can see, the S2000 is going away. Shout out to the new owner. What's your name, bro?
Sherwin.
Where can they follow the build at?
So I'm on bluebaru_STI.
On Instagram?
My previous car on Instagram.
Yes, sir. So if you guys are curious and want to follow the build, go ahead, give him a follow. Let me show you guys the latest mod I put on without vlogging. I got a fresh, brand new soft top put on with a glass window. If you guys watched my previous vlog, you guys will see how crusty the soft top is, and now it looks so good. Look at that. But I can't even enjoy it because this man's gonna buy it off of me already. This is the last time y'all are gonna see this S2000 on the channel, but don't be sad because today we're officially going to be going all out on the S14. We're gonna start the paint job today. So we're just gonna wrap up some paperwork and then we'll get right to that. All right, y'all, it's official. Congrats.
Appreciate it.
Take care of her.
For sure. Thank you.
Way better.
Yeah. She's officially sold. I got money in my pockets. Stay tuned. New build incoming real soon. But now it's time to work on the S14. Let me go ahead and fill you guys in on what's happening. I know a lot of you guys were thinking that I was gonna paint match the kit pearl white just like the original paint, but then I said fuck it, and I'm going to respray this car completely and do a full color change because that is gonna be bussin'. Am I right?
What color are you doing, bro?
Y'all will find out soon. Don't worry about it. But just know today we're gonna go ahead and prep this car and get it ready for paint. I have 3 days to paint this car for a show, so let's get right to it. First thing we're gonna do, I got the homie Harley here. Look at his sexy ass.
Uncut.
So he's here. He's gonna remove this rear windshield so when we paint it we get in all the nooks and crannies, and that's because look at the seal, freaking garbage. So we gotta take all this off so I can spray all up in there. All right, Harley, do your thing, baby.
Now it's easier
Look
than
at that
the
art that they made.
All right, boys, we got the rear windshield all removed and ready for paint. Now, I thought we were only gonna have to do the rear, but turns out Harley just saw the front. And what's your opinion of them, bro?
I don't know, man. This is kind of A1, ain't it?
Look, it's cut right there. It's cut right here.
We come under here. This looks like a bunch of blowout, does it not? Oh my goodness.
So it's,
Violated law.
yup, they violated the law.
Yeah, that's bad.
So Harley does not approve, so we're gonna pull out the front as well.
Throw a little universal on it.
Yup. Let's do it, cause this looks so jank, bro.
Oh,
He's speechless.
yeah, this is one of the worst ones.
Oh.
Bro, that looks like absolute dog shit.
Yeah, you're getting flamed. If they knew this was here, you would not be a booth car.
All right, bro, get to work. While Harley is working on the front windshield, I'm gonna go ahead and get to work and remove all the dents on the car. And look at this. I brought out the Bondo
$60.
and I spilled it on the ground. I don't even know how to clean that up. Like, this is after I cleaned it up. I have no idea how to remove that. So that's gonna have to stay. Let's go right ahead and start fixing these little door dings like that and stuff, so I can go ahead, shoot primer tonight, and then paint by tomorrow. What are you doing?
I don't know. But I can't stand it.
Yeah. I got all the dings here sanded down and ready for some Bondo. While I'm doing that, Jordan is gonna help me out. He's gonna go find all the dings and circle them with this marker right here. We got this side all done and bonded up. We're gonna go ahead and let that dry. While that's drying, let me go ahead and show you guys how much dings are on this car. So we got all of this shit right here, hella circles, and then look at the hood. Oh my god, bro.
Hey, Derek's doing Bonzo tonight.
Look at that. I might as well just Bondo the whole hood at this point. Fuck. Pretty much got all the small little dings filled in, as you can see, but now it's time to fix the big boy ding. Let me go ahead and show you guys where it is. Look at that. Right where it says RIP is the fat dent. Y'all can see it right there. So I already took off the wheel and everything and the fender liner. So I'm gonna bust out my body hammer, hammer this out, and then put on some body filler, and it should be nice and mint. Check it out, guys. The dent is now gone and is completely filled in. So now all we gotta do is we gotta scuff up the rest of the car with 320 and spray primer at all the places that we did the body work.
The next morning.
It is now the next day, and as you guys can see, I got the car all finished up. There is about, ooh, that's super bright. Hang on. Hang on. There we go. So I have about 4 coats of primer on all the primered areas, so I'm gonna let it sit in the sun for a while, and then we'll do the final sanding where we can finally spray the car. Alright y'all, first thing I'm gonna do is block sand the hood with 220 to knock off all the orange peel and stuff that's on the primer. Okay, so I got all those areas sanded down, but then I remembered I have holes in the trunk from the stock SE wing, and I have a brand new Koki wing, and sadly they don't cover up the holes, so I'm gonna have to whip out my welder and try to weld in these holes. So at first this was just gonna be a scuff and shoot. Turns out it's gonna be a whole ass restoration. There's so many dents and dings everywhere, and Harley just took off the front windshield. Look at the amount of rust there is. Oh my god.
That thing looking
Sad
like
things.
That thing looking like a haunted house.
Yes sir, and we got the holes all filled, so now I'm gonna spray these with primer first, and then sand the rest of the car. Keep in mind, it's Thursday night, and this has to be at the show on Saturday.
Saturday morning.
Yeah, bro, so we got like 48 hours.
So Derek, what happened?
Harley here asked me why I don't put water on the ground.
Alright. I didn't ceramic coat the end.
Here, let me show you guys why I don't wet my ground. Look at this. So, a normal floor, right? When you put water on, it turns wet. When you put water on my ground, it runs away. Look at that.
Oh my god.
Doesn't get wet.
So that's why I don't wet the floors.
Jesus.
Alright y'all, we're pretty much all done with the prep. The S14 is already all sanded down and ready to be sprayed tomorrow. We cleaned out the booth as best as we can. I still got to take some stuff to the dump tomorrow, but as you can see, pretty clean. Started cleaning the floors and everything. And for the one time, I even cleaned my hallway, which is super rare because your boy doesn't do that. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull in the S14 and have it nice and safe in here for the night because both the front and the rear windshield is out. Shout out to Harley. Appreciate you, brother.
Yes, sir.
Damn. To think I paid $9 grand for this. Would you guys pay $9 grand for this right now? Comes with the rear windshield delete, extra tape everywhere. This is a custom paint job. Look at that. We even painted the windows. Front windshield deleted. Oh, check it out. A little bit of rust. The extra taste, but don't worry. Harley is gonna fix that up for me. So,
Yeah, no, we're not.
shout out to the boy. That pretty much wraps up today's video. Appreciate you guys for joining in. Make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe if you haven't yet. Stay tuned for the next episode. We're going to be spraying the car. Hey, Harley, Jordan, should I give them a sneak preview of the paint color?
You haven't even showed me the color yet.
So that gives me even more of a reason to bring it out. No?
I think it does.
Hey, but they stayed until the end though.
Ah, okay, fine.
Fuck it?
Don't put it in the title. Don't put it in the
Yeah. Alright.
If you haven't stayed to the end of the video, you need to click off right now because you don't deserve this. But
Yeah,
if you
facts.
did, let's go for a treat.
Facts.
Boba?
Alright, so inside this can is my paint. Let me shake it up real quick. Hey, just make sure you're ready because it's fucking bussin'. Guess the color, Harley. What color?
I already know what color it is.
Oh, you do?
What is it then?
It's midnight purple.
I know you're gonna wanna come get closer, bro, because this shit is hot.
Look at this red. Oh.
Candy apple red. Look at that. Let me go ahead and shine. Bro, I know y'all see that. Can they pick that up on camera?
Not even, dude. I mean, they might get the cap. Shine the cap.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
That's gonna
Candy
be
red.
Busty.
Hey, and this looks dark right now because this has to go over like a silver. So it's gonna be a lot brighter. So it's gonna be busting.
Man, hey, this is the first time I've seen it. I'm kind of way more excited.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
it shows up hella good on this camera.
You said if there's flakes. Oh, bro, look at the camera. Oh.
Oh man, that looks like some blood.
So in case you guys are wondering, this is candy apple red. So stay tuned, coming soon. Huge shout out to the homies for sticking with me today. Shout out Jordan, shout out Harley. Until next time, peace out.